got this buddy. He's got a couple of screws loose in the old noggin here. I was driving around one day, and I got pulled over. But it was him, impersonating to be a police officer. So he asked me, where were you on the night of the 12th? So I tells him, I was fucking your girlfriend in your bedroom. And I asked him, what in the fuck are you doing? Pulling me over, impersonating to be a police officer. I mean, I'm just fucking driving here. You got your fucking cop suit, and your cop badge, and your cop car. I mean, what the fuck are you doing? So he tells me that since he's been impersonating to be a police officer, he's actually arrested a hot girl. Currently, he's got her handcuffed in his shower right now, and she's thinking it's part of her house arrest. So I tells him, you know, that's actually pretty smart, and I like your style. But if you don't mind, get your fucking
Big cop badge in your fucking cop car and your cop suit. Get the fuck out of here.
So he tells me, all right,